How to draw nose. See, a person is watching ahead. Understand that this one eye, this is another eye. Then draw a circle here. Then side circle. Here also small circle. And after this, highlight this part. Then this one part and this. Here also same. This one part highlight this and add some little shading, and this is front inside ways. Let us understand. This is forehead. Here is eye. Then just depending on shape, somehow up, down, straight. So change accordingly. And it's simple. This side also draw circle, draw small circle, and do this like here also draw like this and this. This is side view. If person is mm, watching upward, then consider their eyes like this. Here also. If person is watching upward, at that time the this lower part, then there will be triangle shape first, and the openings will see clearly. So same here, the ending will be here. So we'll draw like this and draw a comma shape, and here add some little, there is a small bit, and then add shades. Here is a glabella like this if person is watching upward. Let if person is watching downwards, then let eyebrows, eyes, let is this is eyes. Just the tip, just make more slant, make like this, and lip, draw lip more closer. This was easiest trick to draw nose. We see in detail in later. In few months we will upload intermediate series.